Hello. Hello.
Just
Okay, can you
one
hear me?
second, please.
Okay, please. Yeah.
1 second. Wait a second, please. Yeah. Hello, Mijan. How are you doing?
Okay, so I am fine, and you?
I'm totally fine.
Okay.
Always fine. Always fine. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
really happy to join here in
Okay. Thank
the
you.
season.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So
Yeah, we'll have.
yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Please.
Please go ahead.
Okay. So basically, we will start our total 7 days online training program privately with you, and we also try to cover your all of the topics, mainly air quality monitoring, as well as also try to learn you all of the programming coding. So as a beginner, so don't you if you don't know the coding, then I hope you can easily learn the coding, and also you can easily make the web application for real time air quality monitoring. So different types of parameters such as nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, or which gases is available in Sentinel-5 satellite imagery. You can easily monitor and also make the different types of time series chart analysis, or make the map. You can easily do this. Okay, so basically in this online training program, if you have no knowledge, I hope you can easily, when you complete this total all of the classes, then you can easily develop the air quality parameters web application, and also make the air quality parameters map easily. You can easily do. Okay, so now we can start. Yeah.
I have one question.
Yeah, please.
I would like to see if a part of the air quality measurements we can also try to have a look on different climate parameters because
Such as
what I
temperature,
really
humidity. You can also try to identify all of those. Yeah.
yeah, and also one of the good things that I saw in one of your videos is the carbon sink ratio on mangroves because I work a lot with mangrove protection, and I'm very interested on mapping the carbon sink
Carbon storage.
capabilities on.
Okay, okay.
This is one of the things that made me find when I was looking into techniques to use remote sensing for carbon sink on the forest and mangroves, and I found your video, and
Yeah.
this is where I get in touch with you to really jump. So this is also one good
Okay,
topic that
so
I
we
would
also
like to
try to
explore.
also completed
How
this
to
part. We also try to complete this part for the carbon storage.
Yeah,
So basically,
perfect,
you
perfect,
are not
perfect.
completing the. So we did not complete the, all of the things. So mainly we can focus for the air quality monitoring web application, carbon storage. So
Mm-hmm.
mainly this is our major point. Okay. So we first of all
Yeah,
we try to
perfect.
complete all of the major point, and the same time, as a beginners you did know about the programming language as well as Google Earth Engine function. So we also try to complete also all of those programming language or coding, so that you can easily learn all of the things step by step. And our main focus for the air quality monitoring web application and carbon storage. Okay, these are
Yeah,
major point.
perfect,
Okay.
perfect, perfect, perfect,
Okay.
perfect.
Okay. So now we will start our today's class. So just I simply share my screen. Okay, and you can also get the recorded video class also, because you can easily practice with this recorded video class. Okay, so let's go.
Yeah.
And I will give you the total 3 hours, and the 2 hours for the live training, and 1 hours for your problem solving class. So when you face any problem, or any doubt or any confusion, then we also try to discuss on the 1 hours problem solving class, and all of the
Okay, so be
classes 2 hours live
two
training.
hours, 2 hours and plus one
One.
of
Yeah.
yeah. But today,
Today, two
like,
hours.
sorry,
Today I will provide you
sorry,
the two
sorry.
hours live training program. 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours we complete it, and from the next
Yeah,
day
just
we
to let you
also
know.
try to 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours live training total.
Yeah, but the thing is, today I'm out of of the office. I'm on the other office, so in 30 minutes I'll have to cut and have a break of almost 30 minutes to continue. It will be possible.
Okay. Okay, so actually it's also midnight in here. Okay, so we also try. Okay, no problem. We also try also for that
Okay,
for my side. Okay.
because I didn't arrange myself to be at home and to do the 2 hours, but I'll have 30 minutes to go home and then continue the rest of the training.
Okay, so we continue. So okay, so let's go. Okay.
Okay.
So now can you see my screen?
Yet. Yeah. No sharing.
Okay, so now it's showing, and we also try to start us. So okay, so I am stopping the video camera. Just okay. Okay. Okay, so hi and welcome to the 7 days online training program for remote sensing analysis for air quality monitoring, as well as also make the air quality web application for also cover the part of the carbon storage. Okay, so basically in this program I will conduct this online training program for Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis. And first of all, our course module, so this is a basic course module which I completed total 7 days, but our main focus is that for that we try to complete it the air quality monitoring of application and also carbon storage. Okay, this is the main focus, major focus. But also I also try to discuss about the introduction to Google Earth Engine, then also try to discuss about the filtering and displaying data, different types of data. It can be climate data, it can be different types of satellite data, how we can easily filtering and displaying the data. We also try to discuss about that, how we can easily do this, as well as we also try to discuss about that how we can easily importing raster and vector data. Okay, so basically raster data and vector data, how we can easily import it in Google Earth Engine platform. We also try to discuss about this part, as well as also calculating with images for the different types of indices, different types of index, how you can easily calculate it. We also try to discuss about that. And then calculating the NDVI, NDWI, and all other indices, how you can easily calculate it. Then introduction to the image classification. I think in this time we are not talking about the image classification because it's not our part. For make the land use land cover classification is not our major part. Okay, but in this time we can add here the carbon storage, how we can easily make the carbon storage, and also make the carbon storage classification, where the extreme, where the normal, this type of classification we can cover. Okay, then
Okay.
how we can easily exporting the raster and vector data, then time series chart, how you can easily do this. We will try to complete how you can easily remove the cloud from your satellite images, how you can easily work with the DEM data, then how to make the individual over a period of time, then air quality monitoring. So in this time our main focus is the air quality monitoring, how you can easily make the nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, all of the gases, how you can easily make, and also monitor their density, where the density is the high, where the density is the low. We also make the classification of the different region. Okay, and then we also try to make the web application, so any users when click on this map, they can easily identify what is the status of the nitrogen dioxide for this coordinate, for this location, what is this, what is the time series chart of this coordinate for the nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. They can easily understand from this web application. Okay, we also try to complete this, and also how you can easily make the air quality parameters time series data, how you can easily download the air quality parameter time series data in CSV file format. Then how to make the land cover classification, land surface temperature, how you can easily make, then how to calculate average, maximum, minimum, NDVI. Okay, so basically all of the things we try to complete it, and in this time we are using here the Google Earth Engine platform. But as a beginners who don't have anything about the Google Earth Engine platform, they can easily learn all of the things from my online training program. So first of all, I will try to teach you all of the programming language, all of the algorithm which you want to need. Then you can easily apply this algorithm, apply this code, and in Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily get the result. Okay, So first of all, do you have any experience with the programming language before? Have any experience for using the programming language?
No, zero.
Okay, no problem for that. So I will try to show you the basically and the beginners level. Okay, so that's you can easily learn the all of the things from the ABC of programming. I hope you can easily learn all the things. Okay. Okay, so basically today was first day. So first day I will try to discuss about the programming language and also try to discuss about the some introduction of the Google Earth Engine platform, how it will be work, all of the things we try to complete it. Then also try to discuss about the Google Earth Engine, how it will be work for the client and server object, and then how you can get the server to execute your code. Then importing raster and vector data from the local storage and Google Earth Engine dataset, and filtering the attribute table and band combination. I can easily do this, and importing filter, reduce, clip, and display data in Google Earth Engine platform. So this data can be anything. Suppose it can be climate data, temperature data, different types of climate data we can easily get in Google Earth Engine data catalog and use it and make the different types of analysis in Google Earth Engine platform. So I hope you can easily learn all of the things step by step we can go. Okay, so in this time, first of all, what is GEE? GEE, this is the short form of Google Earth Engine. And Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis. Google Earth Engine has a big data set. We can easily access over 40 years of satellite imagery in Google Earth Engine platform. It can be Landsat, it can be Sentinel, it can be MODIS. All of the satellite images we can easily access freely. We can easily access in Google Earth Engine platform, and we can easily upload our own data set in Google Earth Engine platform, and we can easily apply different types of algorithm in our data and also make the analysis. And finally, we can export the image, we can easily export the table, we can easily export the chart, we can easily export the map, as well as we can also make the web application of Google Earth Engine platform. So application, it is a lot of application in Google Earth Engine platform for the remote sensing. So basically, we can do any types of remote sensing application using this platform. So detecting the deforestation we can easily do using this platform, as well as also classifying the land cover and land use mapping, estimating the forest biomass and carbon. We can also do for the mapping the world's roadless areas, assessment of plant health status, air quality monitoring we can also do using this platform, water quality monitoring, then flood mapping and damage assessment we can also monitor, as well as drought monitoring, then burn severity mapping, and so on application we can easily do using this platform, and also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. Actually, all types of remote sensing analysis we can easily do using the Google Earth Engine platform. Any types. Just we should know what is the algorithm, what is the dataset I need. So all of the dataset I can easily access in Google Earth Engine public data catalog and make the algorithm and also make the analysis very quickly and efficiently than other software. GE focused on society's biggest challenges such as deforestation, drought, then climate change, then disaster, then diseases, then global food security, then sustainability. And why this is important? So at present time, when you want to do for big data analysis or big geospatial data analysis, you must come in Google Earth Engine platform because it reduces your time to the analysis. We can do lot of data set very quickly and efficiently. We can make the analysis. We can access petabytes of data, and its computing power is very fast. It can be compute their result very fast. And Google Earth Engine has some new feature. This feature we can easily use for removing the cloud and haze from the satellite images. And it is a platform where we can use for the collaboration and standardization by creating a common platform for global data analysis. We can easily do all of the things globally, and we can easily make the global data analysis using this platform. And what is the, it has also some advantage as then also some disadvantage. So advantage is that when you want to make use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite images. You don't need to download, because all of the satellite images, we can easily access from the Earth Engine public data catalog. We can access to petabytes of data or more on the way, and its computing power is the very fast. Okay, and it also some disadvantages that you need to know some programming knowledge. But as a beginners, if you don't know any programming knowledge, so that's why in this online training program, first of all, I will try to teach you all of the programming language which you want to need. Okay, as well as it also depend on your internet connection, and it primarily focus on raster based imagery, and it has a lack of mature and detailed documentation. And how does the work? So mainly Google Earth Engine is a cloud based platform. Every cloud based platform has its own server. When you can write the code, this code send a message Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, this server send you response. And its software type is the web processing or cloud computing. It is a cloud computing, so that's why when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite or any types of software. You don't need to download, because it is a cloud computing platform. Then it is a main website for earthengine.google.org. Accessibility must be online, and requirement. When you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, first of all, you have to registration with Google account for using their code editor. So did you complete this part for registration with Google Earth Engine?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Okay. And then computer system must be online. Image scope mainly work for the image processing and visualization. Then work with for the vector and raster data. So you already completed the registration. So in this time I simply skip this part. Just you need to sign in your Google account and also fill up this form. And when you can simply when you can successfully registration, then you can get this message look like this: welcome to Earth Engine and Earth Engine code editor. Just simply click on the Earth Engine code editor. It provide you a link. This link is that code.earthengine.google.com. You can simply go
Yeah.
to this link and you can easily get this code editor. Okay, so did you get this code editor?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Okay, so in this time, this is the code editor. This code editor called the JavaScript API code editor. So mainly in this code editor, we can write only for the JavaScript code. So in this time, I simply open my code editor and try to show you that how it will work. I simply open a new code tab, this code editor. So I simply continue. Okay, so basically this is the code editor. This code editor called the JavaScript API code editor. Okay, so basically this code editor we can use. You can see in this time IN. It means that India. Okay,
Yeah.
so when you want to use the any country which supported the Google Earth Engine, it's showing their domain name. But in this time I want to use it commercially, so I simply use here the .com. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so commercially when you want to use this, then you can easily use it for your make the web application. Otherwise web application is not possible. You can get the data set, but when you want to make the web application, you have to use here the com. Okay, commercially you want to use
Mm-hmm.
this Google Earth Engine
And
code editor.
when you do it commercially, while you're exporting, you need to pay extra fees for that to publish your web app.
Okay, okay, so in this time when you want to publish the web application, so it also get the some I think the for the 3 month you can freely access in here. freely
Okay.
access for use their commercially all of the things you can easily 3 month you can get this freely, as well as you can also get uploaded the data set 250 gigabyte freely in their asset. Okay,
Okay.
and also you can commercially, otherwise commercially you when you want to use that this commercially, then you can get this result, and you can also use there the different types of web application software. So different types of when you want to make the web application, you must be use here the commercially for write the code for the web application, otherwise it's not work. Okay, okay, so in this time this is the code editor. In this code editor, okay,
Yeah.
just a minute.
No, no worries.
Okay, in this code editor we can divide it some panel. So this is the left panel. Okay, and it's called the middle panel. This middle panel is also called the editor panel. Okay, also you can see this is the right panel. It's called the right panel, and it's called the map interactive view. We can get all of the map, all of the things we can get in here. In this time you can see the inspector tab. Inspector tab is mainly working for map querying result. Suppose you want to add a map in here, you want to add a map in here, you want to know what is the value of this specific coordinate, you want to check it. Just simply click on this map, then you can get the value. Okay, in this time it's default showing coordinate, latitude, longitude, zoom level and scale. Okay, you can see when I want to add a map, so suppose I already work some map, so I will try to show you this just a minute. Suppose Bangladesh NDVI. I want to add this map code and try to show you that how it will work. And click to the run. Just a minute. Okay. Suppose you can see this is the NDVI map for this. So I want to check what is the NDVI value for any specific coordinate. So when I simply click on this, you can see I can get the value for this coordinate. This is the latitude and longitude and latitude we can get, and also get the value 0.5 for this specific coordinate. Suppose I click on the water. When I click on the water, then I can get the negative value for the NDVI. You can see for this coordinate, I can get the negative value of the NDVI. Okay, so inspector tab is mainly provide you the map querying result. Suppose you want to add a carbon monoxide density map. Okay, so now you want to check what is the value of the carbon monoxide density for this specific location. Just click on the inspector tab and click on here, then you can easily get this what is the value of the carbon monoxide density for this coordinate, you can easily get. Okay, then console tab. Mainly console tab is printing your output. So I simply open a new code editor, then try to discuss about that. Just a minute. Okay, so console tab is mainly working for printing your output. It can be print anything. Suppose when you want to print anything, it's showing the result under the console tab. Suppose I simply print in here. Suppose print is a function. Okay, so mainly print. Suppose hello world. It now I simply print this. Click to the run. You can see I can get the result under the console tab hello world. Okay, so console tab mainly it printing your output. Okay, then task tab is mainly managing your long running tasks. Suppose when you want to export or import anything, then this task tab will be running. I also try to show you later how it will be work. So in this time you can just remember that task tab is mainly working for when you want to export or import any file. It can be shape file, it can be raster image, it can be CSV file, any file.
Okay.
And also you can see skip tab. Skip tab is mainly working for managing your script which you already work. So here I can see, here I already work some different types of code. So when I want to need the code, I can simply save it in here, and when I need the code for the future, I can simply open it. Suppose I want to work with the air quality monitoring application, simply click on here. So now I can see this code is automatically added in here, and then I can easily work with this code, and I can easily get the result for different types of parameter. I can easily edit this code, modify this code, all of the things I can easily get in here. Okay, suppose I click to the run.
For example, here, if we want to add real-time data, for example, from sensors, we can use the tasks, or we need to write the code to have it inside.
Yeah, we can easily do it. You can easily get the, we need not, it automatically update. Okay, so it automatically updating we can easily do. For the real-time data we can easily get in here, as well as
Okay.
also another application. So I simply open this. So this code is already developed and already saved in the code editor. So just click to the run, you can see mainly this code is for the, you can see animation, make the animation.
Those
So
codes are
skip tab.
from Google and Google Earth library, or you developed yourself?
So basically this is not all of the things will be not developed. We need to develop for our region, for the time boundary, using that Google Earth Engine function, using the Google Earth Engine
Okay.
different types of library. Okay, so Google Earth Engine library, how you can easily use it, I also try to discuss all of the code. Then I hope you can easily develop any code. I can also get the different types of analysis you can easily do. Okay, so basically you can also see skip tab. Skip tab is mainly managing your script. Suppose you can see all of the script I already saved in here. Okay, so next time when I want to need this script, I can simply open it from here. Then docs tab, you can see docs tab mainly provide you all of the documentation. Okay, so it provide you all of the documentation we can easily get from here. Docs tab provide you all of the function in Google Earth Engine server. Okay, suppose you can see e dot, it is a function. When I click on it, I can get also some other function. So all of the function I can get under the docs tab. When I click on here, you can see I can get the result. What is the construct a new date? Okay, so mainly it is the description about this function, and also get the argument. So argument for the function, two argument, date and tj. So basically docs tab provide you the documentation of all function. So all of all function documentation we can get from the docs tab. We can see this is the description and this is the argument. So all of the function we can easily get what is the task, what is the argument, we can easily identify, get from the docs tab. We don't need to memorize anything because we can easily get all of the things from the documentation tab. And you can see e.list, this is a function. Mainly this function work for the construct a new list. And what is the argument? You can see we can get the argument. Okay, then we can easily use the function and we can easily get the result for the list. So we don't need to memorize anything because all of the things, all of the function description, all of the things we can easily get from the documentation tab or docs tab. So docs tab as your friend. When you face any problem, you can simply go to the docs tab and then try to check about the function description, function argument you want to check, and also try to solve the problem. And we don't need to memorize anything. Then asset tab, you can see mainly asset tab is managing your asset. Okay, so here you can see, here I already uploaded different types of shape file, different types of CSV file, different types of raster file I uploaded, and it is stored under the asset tab. You can fill up the asset tab in here freely. 250 gigabyte freely you can use in asset tab. 250 gigabyte freely you can use. Okay, also you can see the it's called the editor panel. It's called the editor panel. In this editor panel we can write our code and edit our code. It's called the editor panel. Also you can see it's called the map interactive view. We can get here the whole world map, as well as we can also get this satellite map also for the whole world. Okay, and also you can get the some tool. You can see hand tool for the moving the map. Also you can easily make the point, line, polygon using this tool. So when I click on here, I can easily get here the different types of marker, different types of block we can easily do. Also draw the line. Okay, also you can easily shape the different type of polygon shape we can easily draw using this tool. Okay, you can also make here the square shape area. Also zoom up, zoom in and zoom out. We can easily go to the plus and minus. Okay, also you can see get link button. Suppose you can see this is code, this code I want to share with you. Just I simply click on the get link button. It will provide me a link. Just simply copy this link and send you. Then you can also access this code and use this code. Also you can see save. So when you can simply save it, then this code is already mainly saved in here. It's just suppose you want to also remove this, so just you can simply click on here and delete. Click on here and delete. Click on here and delete. So I simply delete from this code all of the extra marker or points. I simply delete this. Okay, and just simply save it again and click to the run again. So now you can see this is the process how you can easily do this, and also you can see the search button. So this is the search place and dataset. You can easily select the different types of search, any place or any search, any dataset from here. Also you can see browse data catalog. Then you can get all of the dataset. Okay, and when I click on here, you can see here I can get all of the dataset. So you can see different types of climate and weather data we can easily get from here. Surface temperature, climate data we can also get different types of climate data. Also you can see atmospheric data, weather data, different types of weather data we can easily get. Also you can see Landsat, different types of imagery, Landsat Sentinel, MODIS, high resolution imagery, train, different types of train data set, land cover data set, different types of other geophysical data set and acroplan data set. We can easily get all of the data set from here. Okay, also you can see run button. When I click the run, it will be, this code will be executed. And reset, when I click the reset, you can see all of the things will be moved. And application, so basically this is the web application. And apps tab, this is apps tab. This apps tab manages your web application. So here you can see, here I already developed some web application. Okay, you can see here I already developed some web application for the different types of work. So here you can see the agriculture drought and rain-fed areas. Basically we are using this web application for identify the agriculture drought region for the different area. What you can see. So just I simply open some web application, try to show you. You can see drought monitoring. Also you can see EVI and DVI trend value inspection. Just I simply open some app, then try to show you that how it will work. Also you can see leaf area index, land use, land cover. Also you can see water quality monitoring. Just I simply open, then try to show you the some web application. So here you can see this web application. In this web application we can easily work. Suppose I can simply select my region in here. So just I simply select this region and select your time period, which time period you want to observe the drought condition. Suppose I observe the 2019. And suppose which index you want to use for classification for drought. Different types of index is available for the monitoring the drought. So you can see the SPI, SPEI, VCI, TCI, SVI. So different types of indexes you can use. Suppose I want to work for the VSI, vegetation, health, index. I want to make the drought condition using the vegetation health index. Okay, and make the classification. I can simply select the time. Suppose I simply are up to 2010. Suppose I simply put this time period and then click to the run. So now it automatically select this district and then also make this drought. What is the condition for the different region? Extreme drought, normal drought. How you can see it will be classified: extreme dry, severe dry, moderate dry, normal and wet, and also make the time series chart for this here. When it will be high, when it will be low, we can easily identify for the year of
For example, we can
2020.
use the same. We can, for example, this application, we can use it and apply for other region, or it's
No,
just, for
only
example, for
for
United
selected region you can
States.
see which I want to use here this. So, but when you want to in
Mm.
source code, when you want to add the more place, then we can also use it. So basically, in this time, this code is developed only for this region.
Okay, and we don't have access to the source code of those applications.
Okay, so in this time, when user use this web application, they did not access the source code. Okay, because in this time, they can only use the web application, but they did not get the source code.
Okay.
It will be working some networking issue, I think. Also, you can see the another application. Mainly, this web application we can easily use for make the NDVI and NDVI trend in inspection chart. Suppose I click on here, then I can get the specific coordinate you can see. And for this coordinate, what is the trend of the NDVI or NDVI, we can easily identify. So I click on here. What is the trend you can see? It is the low trend. So when I click on here, the dense vegetation region, you can see we can get the high trend. You can see this is the high trend land, high trend. So when I click on here, also you can see the high trend. So also you can see when I click on here, okay. Also in the leaf area index, this is another application. Suppose I can easily simply select my region. Suppose this is my region of interest. For this region, I want to observe what is the condition of leaf area index. Just I simply select this. So now I can see it automatically. You can see I can get the raster image for this leaf area index condition and also make the time series chart. For this time, it automatically 20 years time series chart for this region. What is the condition? Okay, just a minute. I simply connect with my battery server. I simply connect with my charging, then continue. Just a minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
So now I can check it will be working. Okay, so now I can see we can get the different years time series chart, and you can easily download the time series chart from here. Just simply click on here. So now I can see we can get the chart look like this, and we can easily download it the data set as a CSV file format. Simply click to the download. It will be downloaded the CSV file format, and also downloaded the photo. You can see download the PNG file format. We can easily download the photo from here. Okay, and also you can see another application is the water quality monitoring web application. So for that, you can see we can easily selected our specific time period. Suppose I simply select the observation time period for that year of 2020, month of January, suppose 1st January, and also add here the in time period, suppose year of 2020 since suppose December, suppose 31, and also draw my region of interest, which area you want to observe. simply draw this RY. Okay, then just simply click on this. Suppose I want to check the turbidity, then select the turbidity and then submit. So now you can see it generating the all of the things automatically, and also make the time series chart between this time period, what is the condition of the turbidity, and also make the legend. And you can easily you
Okay.
can get the when the turbidity is high and low, you can easily identify from this chart. Suppose I want to select here the another thing is the chlorophyll. Just simply select the chlorophyll and submit. So now I can get what is the condition of the chlorophyll. So now I can say I can get this chlorophyll index. What is the condition of the chlorophyll index? We can get. Okay, also get the animation and also get the legend. Suppose I want to check here, the another thing is the total suspended solid. Then click the submit. So now I can get the what is the condition of the total suspended solid. Okay, so now I can see it also develop this thing. We also get this time series chart for that. Okay, when I click on here, you can see I can get the time series chart look like this. So basically, this is a application. We can easily develop the different types of web application for our different types of work in Google Earth Engine platform. Easily we can do, as well as we can easily get the. You can see now it will be showing this. Where is the extreme, moderate, all of the things we can easily get in here for this map. We can easily do with for the drought mode hazard index, where the extreme dry, severe dry, moderate dry, normal dry, and wet dry we can easily identify. As well as you can simply change the area, another region, and then click to the run. So now we can get this another region. What is the condition? We can easily get. And I can see for this region we can easily get this result for. Okay. So basically, we are using here the different types of web application for in Google Earth Engine platform for different way for different tasks. Okay. So okay, so in this time I can simply go to my code editor, and this apps tab is managing all of the web application. Okay. So
Mhm.
now if you have any question about this, you can ask me any question for this. Any problem you can ask me. Any question.
For example, in this on the libraries you have